Good afternoon. The following presentation may not be suitable for small children, offended adults, or any easily offended person. What you're about to see is very raw and real, and just how we do things and how we are, because we're just bluntly honest. And if that's not what you're looking for, you might want to go to an AMCO or something. So, please enjoy the feature presentation on shipping your transmission. Afternoon, everybody. Ryan from PerformaBuilt. I'm really tired. It's the end of the day. But because of what happened yesterday, which I'm sure you all have seen, I was going to do a stall speed video, but somebody ruined that. And now I just have to do this because I can't take it anymore. So we're going to show you how to pack your transmission and the right things and the wrong things to do. And just wait till the end because it's going to be mint. How we pack this is in a nice single layer cardboard box with about 2 inches of foam on the side. How we do this is a $6,000 fucking machine that you can't usually afford and don't even want anyway. Each jug of foam that mixes costs about $1,500. This is expensive, so we're not wasting our time. I can make either memory foam or a very good density, depending on what I program into it. We have a very good solution for ground shipping if that's, what suits you. So in this box that we ship, we have this nice dense foam, plus the actual spray foam mold, and there's your transmission, safe and sound, okay? It is a special layer of film that doesn't stick to the foam, which is also special. It's not your Home Depot spray foam. This shit is very expensive. The guys that pack this actually measure it, surgically basically put it in there, and it gets to you relatively in good condition. Now, I'll be showing you some examples. This one will be going out tomorrow. But I'll be showing you some examples that I got in today of guys who actually saved their box, and I'll be showing you at the end of what not to do based on the joke of a pack job I had yesterday. For you guys that can't read or just don't give a shit, the back page of these instructions, right? The back page right here has how to do it. It is so fucking simple, and I don't understand why most people are so ignorant that they can't just read or take the time to read the instructions. I put an oil pan on the other day, and I had to read the instructions because it's the right thing to do. It's on top. Open the lid. Don't just throw it the fuck away. Now, you need to save the box, and these two customers did, because one is an upgrade because he's going up in power, and the other's a warranty. I'm not going to lie to you. Everybody has a warranty. None of this shit is perfect. We all have warranties. But these two guys have packed their stuff in their original box. And for the most part, besides my ripping and tearing a knife, got here just fine. They wrapped it in a trash bag, drained it well. There's not a shitload of oil everywhere. And for the most part, it's good. The reason why I say save your box is because no company is perfect, okay? We aren't. We certainly aren't, but we are very, very good. We're one of the best. Your transmission is pretty much bulletproof. It will handle the power you have, but it will not last forever, much like your engine, okay? Every so often, an engine needs a refresh, especially in drag racing. So does your transmission. Ours, if you're a responsible car guy and not an idiot, lasts roughly 10 years or so. Now, that's not a promise, so take that with a grain of salt, but if you really do take care of it and have a good setup, you maintain it, you don't have fucking misfires everywhere, it's going to last you a long time, and especially if you service it. You know, guys know how I harp on the filter and the fluid change, and especially the filter. Save your box. Now, if you haven't saved your box, you can get a nice Craftsman tote, Husky tote, plastic, good heavy-duty tote. That's fine. It's probably going to get fucked up because UPS and everybody slams these around, FedEx, all that. Freight's the best way. If you use a plastic tote, U-Haul blankets work wonders. They're cheap. Just buy a shitload, ball them up, pack it tight. That's the ticket. Pack the transmission so where it can't move, because what you're experiencing is a bunch of apes throwing around a 140-pound package, and they don't give a fuck, I promise you. Pack it tight so it can't move, because that shaft is a bullet. When that thing slams on the ground because of their carelessness, it's going to shoot right through your box, crack the back of the case, and God knows what else. And then I got to charge you for it. We don't want that. Just take a little time and care. The other thing is drain it. Take a flex plate and a 5-gallon bucket and stand it up on end overnight or 2 days. Let it sit. It'll drain out for the most part. But most people don't even give a shit. Now, dollar store pillows help too. Buy like 10 or 12, 14. They're $1. Shove them in there. Folded, smashed cardboard works very good too. But the best option is freight, because I've never seen a freight shipment messed up. Literally ever. Now we get on to the grand entertainment. This is what not to do, and this is my subject yesterday. Look at this masterpiece. We got a regular Donatello in here. Michelangelo, I swear to God. This is a solid brick of somebody that got the genius idea to fully cement their transmission into Home Depot spray foam. And yes, I am going to use this as an example because I've got this more than once. This isn't the first time, but I'm flabbergasted. This shit is so fucking hard, and I'm over it. It's rock solid. The bag, because of the chemical reaction, look at this. It literally is sticking to the fucking... This was just to protect the box, unfortunately, and not the transmission. So please, use your common sense, use a single brain cell, and read our instructions. And by all means, if you don't understand them, please just call me, because I'll walk you through it. And that's what this video is going to be for you to reference in case you don't want to talk to me. And I don't mean to sound off-putting, but for the guys here that aren't me, these guys try really, really hard. They do a good job. And this stuff purely just slows us down and delays all your new orders, because we got to spend time cutting the shit apart and sacrificing a guy to do it. And I certainly don't have time. Please just listen to me, because everything will go faster, better, and it's less aggravation for everybody. So, again, please follow the instructions. And this is exactly what not to do, because as you can see, solid. Rock fucking solid. It's going to take me 2 days to get that apart, because I just don't have time, and I'm not going to tolerate it. No money will fix it. I don't care about the money. I care about the aggravation. And that's all there is to it, boys. So have a nice day. This is Ryan from PerformaBuilt for your weekly video. I will get to stall speeds next.